Hello everyone. So today I will show you how I ran Jmeter.bat file. Actually it was not running for me. So I was clueless how to run this. I installed Jmeter 5.6.3, the latest version. So for this you need at least Java 1.8. I have installed Java 21. So if I just go to command prompt, then we can check the Java version first. Make sure this Java is there. So 21 is installed. Then I downloaded and installed Apache Jmeter 5.6.3, which is the latest one, the binary zip folder I have installed or downloaded. After downloading, I just extracted it, and then you have to go to the bin folder, and there is jmeter.bat file. So in order to open it, when I double clicked on it, it didn't start it. So what you have to do is, okay, so right now it is starting, but when I started it for the first time, it didn't start. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to right click on the jmeter.bat file if it is not running, and then just click on run as administrator. Then click on yes, and then you'll see Jmeter will start. It will take some time to run this, at least 3 to 3 minutes to it will take, and then you can see Jmeter will start. Okay, so if you face any issues, just let me know. I can recheck it. Thank you.